Good morning, welcome to today. I have coffee and fruit snacks. Cooking, water, chicken, rice. Hi, Jack. Hi. That was my knees popping. Look at me.
Chop something down? Do I need
What's
to chop
wrong?
someone's head off or
What's
pull my
wrong?
eye out? This is a good. And you got this here too. Look, see?
Ow.
That's what.
Ah, he's attacking me. Ow. Ow.
So make sure you put this in your bags, okay?
You got the web of my fingers there. That hurt.
And Dad said you're.
Don't blame me.
Ew. Maybe I should shake it.
Probably.
It smells like
Ick.
it'll kill you.
The cat just saw the car go by. Hi.
I got 3 copies though here.
What? You keep just writing the answers? Why don't you just write them on a different piece of paper?
Because I still have the answers showing here.
Yeah, but instead of keep writing them on there, just write them on a different piece of paper.
But I have them showing then. I don't want the answer showing.
No, I mean instead of making copies and writing on the copies. Storage unit finds. What is that? Is that a Care Bear?
You know his name? Blue
No.
Moon. Just kidding. Daydream.
Oh,
Daydream Bear.
and this is
VHS Andy.
VHS and DVD player. Player. Hey, what kind would I like?
Hang on. Look at the bottom. White fudge
No.
pretzel joy.
No,
Yum.
no. Why do they put the ones on the
They're
bottom?
not even in there.
I Soggy bagels.
Do you remember how the cream cheese was?
Not really.
Super gross.
Kind of.
Okay, you know how frozen cream cheese, after you thaw it out, it's really gross? 'Cause
Yeah.
It's like chunky. There's like a certain way that cream cheese gets. I think if it gets too warm and then you put it in the fridge, it gets this really weird texture. Like it's just not like cream cheese at all.
Yeah.
Anyways, I was really excited for my French toast bagel the other day, and then the cream cheese was really nasty, and so I was really sad about it. And I don't like butter, so I was gonna put butter on a bagel.
My life is so hard. It took me like 10 seconds to figure out what I was saying. Like, I knew what I wanted to say, but I couldn't remember what the words were. Don't, because
I'm
you're gonna
not.
drop it.
On the bed.
You're gonna drop something on
dumb.
it.
That's not nice.
Just taking selfies on my phone.
You're gonna love them.
Okay.
You better.
I'm watching her take the selfies, and then she looks at me like, "Oh, you're watching me do this?"
I can see you making a collage of all of these and posting it all over the internet. No, I'm gonna delete these.
I'm not gonna do anything with them.
Yeah. Unlike you. keeps all these nasty pictures of when I look bad.
Very often, though.
I will admit.
Some of them are cute.
Yeah.
Some of
Some.
them are cute.
No, I mean of the ones I'm taking right now. Scroll! Nigga, I ain't doing the work for you. Who's that?
This is my favorite.
Which one?
Old friend of mine.
We'll see camera like that.
Hey, girls.
Hi.
That's going in the vlog.
If Kayla says it's going, it's going, and if Kayla says it's not, it's
It's
not.
going. It usually goes in the vlog if I say it's not.
No, if you don't want, like, remember, like the other day, like,
Like,
you didn't want
there-
your face in
there
during
is-
the morning.
There is video footage on YouTube of me saying, don't put that in the vlog, and it's on the frickin' vlog.
Yeah, but after that, I've made sure to not do it. If you say, like, don't get me right now because my hair looks like crap, then I cut it out.
Yeah. Rachel went into the corner.
Because I get nice and twisty warm.
In the corner.
Because
The fuck?
to me.
Somebody have camera thigh. Camera thigh. Where's your eyeball? Hi! You look better with it down, though. You look so happy.
Love you.
Sorta. Is this going in the vlog? She always puts it in.
vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Steph, do it for the vlog.
Are you awake in there?
No.
Your eyes.
What?
Whole day.
Hello?
What?
Hello?
Oh.
Yeah, I don't
Hello?
see it.
Nothing. We're gonna go outside.
I used Siri from Rachel's phone to send Kayla a text, and it was supposed to say "you hoe bag," and it said
Yeah.
it's not focusing, but it says "kill your whole day." I don't know what that means, but
You
we're
little
gonna
stupid ass
go.
bitch. Yeah, they're gonna go
Just-
outside, but I'll probably stay here.
We're just gonna hang out, and I'm gonna end this. So, I have a hangnail. If you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna touch the lens again. Boop. I did. Just kind of.
So you left.
He literally ran out of work.
I don't know.
This is kind of cool, I think.